How to capture your screen and your webcam with OBS Studio. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to capture both your screen and your webcam using OBS Studio, whether you're using for making tutorials, gaming videos, or streaming. This is a must-know technique, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your OBS Studio application. In OBS, everything starts with a scene. A scene is essentially your layout. We'll set one up for your screen capture and webcam. To create a new scene, just click on the plus sign under the scenes box. Let's name it screen plus webcam and click on OK. Now let's add the screen capture. On the sources, click the plus icon, select display capture to capture your screen. A new window will pop up, name it something like screen capture and click on OK. Now select the display you want to capture. If you have multiple monitors, just choose the one you want and hit OK, and your screen should now be visible in OBS. Next up, let's add your webcam. Click the plus icon again on the sources and choose our video capture device. A window will pop up where you can select your webcam. Choose your webcam from the drop-down menu and adjust settings like resolutions if needed. Then simply click on OK. Now you should see your webcam appear on top of your screen to capture. And that's it. You're all set up to capture both your screen and webcam in OBS Studio.